Let's prepare tiffin for my 3.5 years old. Today we had this bread. We rarely buy bread, but today because we had it, I thought of preparing something with. Here I'm taking little bit of butter. It was in fridge, so it's properly. I don't want to melt it now, and with cheese I will make something. Here I'm heating up a pan and we'll keep the bread pieces here and we'll flip it just so that the butter can melt, and once the butter melts properly in the pan, I will put the bread and will cook it properly from both the sides. And here I was boiling milk as well, and milk is boiled. I will turn off the flame. Once the bread is cooked from one side, I will keep a slice of cheese and will cover it with the other bread as well. And here I'm cooking it from both the sides, and I tried to see if the cheese melted or not. It's fully melt. And here I have some paneer. I will cut thin slices of it. I made 3 slices and the bread is ready. Here I'm adding little bit of mustard oil. We'll spread the oil and I'm adding the paneer pieces, 3 slices of it. You can add any spices that you prefer. I simply added turmeric powder and salt. And from the other side I will cook it. I flipped it. I kept the flame medium, but you can cook it in low flame as well. Adding salt and turmeric from the other side as well. I really like it when, because of the turmeric, it turns full yellow color. So here I'm just turning it. This is another quick snack that you can prepare, or as a side dish also you can prepare. And here I'm making it into smaller pieces so that it's easier to eat. And the paneer pieces are all ready. So I can add the bread just like that. It fits perfectly in the tiffin box, but then teachers prefer that we make pieces of whatever we are giving. So I'm just chopping it into 4 pieces. And here I'm adding the bread with cheese, and the space that is left I'm keeping the paneer pieces over there. And here is some black raisins, that is one of his favorites. And for the other side I wanted to give him a mango, but mango season is almost over, so this mango was not good. That's why I decided to give him apple instead. And here I'm keeping the apple pieces without the skin, and his tiffin is all ready. So that's what I prepared today, a simple, easy tiffin recipe for school going kids. So that's all for today. Until we meet next time. Bye.